A few months back, there were claims that the Galaxy S24 series might have a satellite connection option for emergency messaging, similar to what we see on iPhones. Recent studies have further confirmed the presence of this emergency feature. A leaked screenshot from a Galaxy phone now indicates that the Galaxy S24 would actually enable users to send text messages via satellite during crises. This feature may be known as Emergency SMS via Satellite by Samsung. It will make its debut with the Galaxy S24. According to Samsung, if you are unable to connect to a network or are out of range, you may still contact emergency services by sending an emergency text message using their satellite network. This capability is expected to operate on iPhones, where you may send text messages together with your GPS position information so that emergency response teams can find you and aid you. It will be especially handy if you are trapped in places with no network service and are unable to contact your family, friends, or emergency response teams via conventional channels. This feature may initially be confined to certain markets. It is anticipated to extend to other countries as well, powered by Exynos and Snapdragon CPUs in Galaxy S24 units. Samsung has developed 5G NTN technology for two-way satellite communication. Other than that, according to a rumor, the whole S24 portfolio is expected to be released at prices similar to those of its predecessor, the Galaxy S23 series. According to insiders, the Galaxy S24 will cost $799 while the S24 Plus would cost $999. The Ultra will cost $1,199 for individuals who want top-of-the-line features and capabilities. It's worth mentioning that prices for models with memory choices may differ. Samsung expects a 10% increase in sales in a shifting smartphone market scenario by keeping prices throughout their flagship series. The business intends to sell more than 33 million units of the Galaxy S24 series. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.